In a significant step toward rebuilding its long-range firepower, the Royal Netherlands Army recently conducted a 2-day live-fire trial of the Israeli-designed PULS, Precise and Universal Launch System, at Brezendijk, situated along the Afsluitdijk. Over the course of the exercise, 16 rockets were fired to assess both system reliability and adherence to safety protocols. All munitions landed within the planned impact zone, validating both the equipment and the certification status of the personnel involved. This testing phase is part of the Dutch Army's reintroduction of rocket artillery following a 19-year absence, triggered by the arrival of the first 4 launchers in February 2024. The initiative underscores the military's shift toward regaining the capacity to strike targets far beyond the frontline, something the Dutch land forces had been lacking since the retirement of the M270 MLRS systems in 2004. The Netherlands had inked a $305 million agreement with Israeli defense firm Elbit Systems in May 2023 for the supply of 20 PULS launchers over 5 years. This deal forms a portion of a broader €515.3 million defense modernization program, which encompasses launcher vehicles, advanced fire control systems, training packages, communications gear, logistics support, and armored Scania Gryphus 8x8 trucks, which will eventually replace the initial Tatra-based platforms. Deployment of the systems will be split between 2 artillery battalions, the 11th Horse Artillery and the 41st Field Artillery units, each receiving 8 launchers organized into 2 platoons. 4 additional launchers will support training and logistics. The artillery units will be incorporated under the 43rd Mechanized Brigade and the 13th Light Brigade. With the introduction of these systems, the existing Verstian commando structure will be phased out, although its personnel and training infrastructure will remain active in T-Hard. Additional facilities are expected to be built as the artillery corps expands. The PULS system stands out for its modularity and versatility. Each launcher can accommodate various munitions: 36 Acular 122mm rockets, 35 km range, 20 Acular 160mm rockets, 40 km, 8 extra rockets, 150 km, 4 Predator Hawk missiles, 300 to 400 km, or 2 Delilah cruise missiles, 250 km. It can also be equipped with pods carrying Skystriker loitering drones capable of surveillance and reuse after mission completion. With rapid deployment capabilities, all-weather functionality, and advanced radar-based targeting support, the PULS ensures quick response with minimal launch intervals. Israel's PULS system was selected over the US-made Himars following an expedited procurement process. The urgency stemmed from global arms market pressures intensified by the ongoing war in Ukraine. Dutch defense officials prioritized a mix of operational performance, delivery timelines, modularity, and long-term European compatibility. Unlike Himars, which uses proprietary U.S. munitions, PULS features an open architecture that will eventually support ammunition developed by European suppliers. While Himars is used by several NATO countries, the Netherlands joined Denmark and Spain in adopting PULS. Germany has also signaled interest in co-producing a European variant, EuroPULS, in cooperation with KNDS and Elbit Systems by 2027. The reintroduction of rocket artillery fills a strategic gap in the Dutch Army's current layered fire support strategy. The current arsenal includes 120mm mortars for short-range and PZH-2000NL howitzers for mid-range engagement. PULS extends the capability up to 400 km, enabling strikes against high-value targets deep in hostile territory, including command posts, logistics nodes, and air defense systems. This investment aligns with goals laid out in the 2022 Defense White Paper and reflects a broader push to strengthen NATO's collective deterrence. As Dutch Junior Defense Minister Christophe van der Moot noted, effective deterrence in today's threat landscape depends on firepower across all ranges. The acquisition of Tomahawk cruise missiles for the Navy and JSSMR air-launched missiles for the F-35 fleet further demonstrates the Netherlands' intention to bolster its long-range strike options across all domains, land, sea, and air. Tomahawk missiles, with mid-course retargeting capabilities, will be fitted to LCF frigates and submarines, while the stealth-enabled JAS SMR will extend the reach of Dutch F-35s to targets over 1,000 kilometers away. Both systems will significantly improve strike flexibility and survivability against defended targets. Full operational integration of the PULS system is expected by late 2026. Once complete, the Royal Netherlands Army will possess a robust and modern long-range artillery force capable of conducting precision engagements independently or in concert with NATO allies.